I'm continuing my video lecture based upon Java. Now my topic is in control statements. Decision statement. If statement decides which statement is to be executed, switch if statement means it decides which statement is to be executed. Switch statement decides which statement to be executed among several classes. Looping. How many times statements to be executed? While loop, do while loop, or for loop. For jump statements, break, continue, return, and go to. Now we are going to see about one by one. If you are having a decision statements, if else, if, nested if statements. If you are having an if cloudy, then we are sleeping. If it is an Diwali, then we are going to take an lightning. If you have summer, if it is in winter, we are going to take a fan inside the wherever we want. If a condition will be satisfied, then given the set will be going to the statement itself. Decision statement means it is an example. If check whether the given number is equal to 100. If else, check the greatest of two numbers. Nested if. Nested if statements. If and if else statements can be nested is used inside another if or else statements. Everyone else corresponds to the closest preceding if expressions. Inside the if else, if we are having an if else statements, inside the if and else we are having another if else, means it is a nested if statements. Here we are having a syntax here. And then looping statements means while loop. We are having a while conditions, they enter into the statement and then we are executed. If not, it is entering into the false. If the given statement is false, it terminates from the loop. If you are having some test conditions, if the condition will be true, we are going to a while loop body. If not, it get terminated from the loop. This is a looping statements, and then looping statements we have a do while. If you are having a do while means do well they entering into the statements, and then after that the condition will be checked. If you are entering with the do while loop body, and then test condition will be checked. If true, it will be against to the do while loop. If no, false means the loop will be terminated. Is an example here. Int I equal to 0. Do if we enter into inside the bracket, count less than or equal to 1, I plus plus, and then if a condition check will I less than or equal to 5, and then going to the do, and then get back inside the looping. Just an do while loop. For loop means it is an iterative process. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5 means it I will be looped again and again. Then switch statements allows to execute a block of code among many alternatives. Example, arithmetic operations. Syntax, it is a switch expression means it is an having a case and then break. If we are having a default means we are having a default. After that we are exit from the break. Jump statement means flow of program, terminate, continue the loop, stop the execution. Jump statement means continue, go to, return, break. Jump statement say int main. If for I equal to 1, I less than 10. If I plus plus means if I equal to 5, it will be continue. Otherwise it is jump from an C out. Return 0 also. Jump statements will be a break. Terminate the whole loop. Int I equal to int main. For int I equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. If a condition true, if we get into the if I less than equal to 5, it will be break. Otherwise it is looping against and against. Jumping statements, return statements, take a control out of functions. Syntax the return expressions. If you are having an int main block, it will be referred with the other block. It is an return, and return will be if f of a will be an another block, it will be get returns. It will next f next. If then again f a of void, the continuously it will be in looping statements. Control structure means it is an looping, like a looping formation. Decision statements, looping, jump statements. Decision statements, if statement decides with the statement to be executed. Switch statement means it decides which statement to be executed among several. While loop, do while loop and for loop. Jump statement means break, continue, return and go to. This is an control statements.